You hear that? That's the U.S. national anthem. Yep, the good old U.S. of A. Sure, it's nice to get things from all over the world these days. I mean, it's fantastic what we can get. I love to get my rice from Thailand and my tagine from Morocco, and you can't beat the great table wine and pasta you can get from Italy. And as much as I love my local brewery, and I do, you just can't beat a German Pilsner with a bratwurst in the summertime. But let's face it, when it comes to industrial automation parts, we just can't wait to get all our parts from all over the world. Timelines are just too tight these days. We have to get delivery in a short amount of time. So it's nice to know that 80% of Rollon's product selections is made right here in the USA. And there are plans to expand that and do more and more manufacturing in the USA. So now you can have your cake and eat it too. You can have European engineering and US manufacturing. Now that's music to my ears.